The way in which the Christians, Jews and Hindus are spreading the message of their religion is much more, I would say, the way we Muslims do is negligible as compared to them. They spread their message by media. How should we Muslims spread and how should we use media? Before that, listen how they used and are using with such a huge budget. From 1800 to 1950, more than 60,000 books have written against Islam. Imagine 60,000 plus books. James Swaggart, a Christian preacher, his expense of a year is more than $400 million, more than 5 crores a day. How strongly is he spreading his message, the religion of his message, Christianity? And how strongly will he be criticizing Islam and will be spreading the misconceptions about Islam? Television, the famous media, there are more than 20,000 television channels for which the budget is $400 plus billion. More than 2,000 are in America. Means more than 2,000 channels are American, and you know how they are using these channels. How much they criticize Islam by these channels and spread Christianity and is spreading the misconception about Islam. There are many Christians, Jews and Hindus channels in many languages. All are against Islam. How many Muslims channels do we have? There are only 50 channels, in which 30 are Arabic channels, which cannot spread the message to the whole world because not everyone is able to understand Arabic. We have at most 15 channels in languages other than Arabic. Quite negligible. 99% channels are against Islam and spreading misconception about Islam and are haram. Imagine. Watchtower, a Christian magazine, is printed in millions in a month, 37.1 million after each 2 weeks, and is in 169 languages. Also, another magazine from the same organization, Awake, is printed in millions in a month and is printed in 81 languages. Both are against Islam and spreading Christianity and are free of cost just to spread Christianity. How much budget do they spend? And we Muslims, how much we print? Maybe just in thousands or in lakhs. Now how should we use media? We should use it in the better way. We should have more channels in all the languages. We should use social media for our peaceful religion, Islam. How? We can have pages in Facebook for the spreading of our message, the peaceful message of Islam. We can have groups in Facebook. We can spread it by Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger. Also, we can have channels in YouTube. Also, TikTok, the latest app, is the best to use for Islamic message. We can share short clips of our scholars like Zakir Naik, Tariq Jamil, and many others to TikTok for our religion. Okay, we can also share hadith in a video. Also, we can share the words of the Holy Quran in a video. And by all these means, we will provide the best system of life to the whole mankind. May Allah help us in doing this. Ameen. Also, you all are informed here to start working on this concept. And inshallah, we will rise. Islam will be on the top. We will be on the top. Inshallah. Inshallah. The way